Hey everyone. In this video, we're going to talk about how easy it is to make a mistake by making assumptions with ADAS. On this 2022 Corolla, we will learn that the camera software is not the same as the 2024 Camry we tested a few days prior, highlighting the importance of checking OE information as you look to complete these services at your facility.
Trying to pull it up now. Front recognition camera access misalignment reading. Oh, so we went through all of this and it's not even in the car. That really sucks. All right. Here we have the 2024 Camry that we worked on the other day. And we have this function, front recognition camera access misalignment reading. And here we have a reading. So I made the mistake of assuming that this 21 Corolla would have the same thing, and it does not. So I cannot check my target placement because I don't have the function in the tool. Let's see if we can do something worthwhile here now that we've got this all set up.